Hello viewers. Today, we'll show you how to submit a self-billed e-invoice through Purchase Invoice using SQL accounting software. If your supplier cannot provide an e-invoice to support the expenditure such as individuals, foreign suppliers, or in other applicable cases, you can issue a self-billed e-invoice on their behalf. Here is a scenario. Your company purchased goods from a foreign supplier who is not registered under Malaysia's e-Invoice system. In this case, you need to submit a self-billed e-invoice through Purchase Invoice. Let's begin. First, ensure that the classification code is entered correctly. Go to the More panel, make sure the submission type is set to self-billed, and the TIN number is selected correctly using the foreign supplier TIN. Next, select My Invoice, and click Submit e-invoice. This action will submit your e-invoice via API to the LHDN server. Within 2 seconds, the e-invoice will be validated by LHDN. Once validated, you'll see a green tick status, and a unique UUID will be generated for the e-invoice. Finally, you can print the purchase invoice with the e-invoice QR code. And that's it. We've successfully completed a self-billed e-invoice submission in Purchase Invoice. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.